Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to set mouse wheel to scroll on screen at a time in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to set mouse wheel to scroll on screen at a time in Windows 10 PC or laptop, so very easy. Firstly, click on Start and type here Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. After click on mouse, click on wheel, and here option one screen at a time, so check this box. After click on apply, click on OK. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to set mouse wheel to scroll on one screen at a time in Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update.